Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, it's been such a long time since I said that. It's literally been 8 years, but I kind of just wanted to come back and just say hello. Thank you to all my OG subscribers who are still there. Wow. But secondly, I just wanted to come back and kind of just reintroduce myself and just talk to you guys about some things that will be changing here. So as you know, when I had this channel about 8 years ago, I built it to be a beauty channel where I would just showcase how I would do my hair and how I would do my makeup. But I won't lie, back then I just didn't have the confidence to continue in that because I just felt that it wasn't a skill that I was really good at. So I kind of just stopped and I went away without explanation, but I really wanted to take some time away just to kind of figure out what it is I wanted to do. And wow, it took me 8 years to get to this point. So anyway, you may have noticed some changes here because I've been inconsistently posting a few shorts, but I made some changes to my channel where I'm showcasing some things that I discovered that I really love doing, and that's making things. I'm really enjoying expressing my creativity in a different way, and in doing that I wanted to switch up my channel so that I can also showcase to the rest of the world the things that I feel that I'm good at, and also to show people different tips and tricks or things that you could do with an XO M1 or things that you could do with a Cricut. So my hope is that this is going to become a consistent vlog style craft channel where I'm going to take you along my biggest project yet, which is creating my company, which is the Custom Concepts Company. So the Custom Concepts Company is my company, and we specialize in bespoke wedding essentials or event essentials basically. So signage, party favors, wedding menus, etc., personalized gifts. And our core mission is basically to spread love and positive intention in every piece we create. So we move beyond the generic decor or generic party favors into more bespoke, artisan crafted, handmade, personalized, intentional gifts that would last forever. So the whole point is to ensure that people have this feeling of love. So with that being said, I literally wanted this to be a short video just to say hello, I'm back and this is what we are doing moving forward. So don't be surprised when you see things change, but I am so excited to start this journey, and hopefully you guys will stay along for the ride. But if not, that's okay. Please share this video if you can. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.